In this video, I'll show you how to use pulse control mode in Kinco Servo Pro. Let's get started. First, connect the servo motor. Check the I/O configuration. Some models come with default I/O configurations from the factory, such as motor enable, fault reset, and homing signals. When the enable signal is configured in the I/O settings, it takes priority. In this case, you won't be able to set power on auto enable or control the enable state through the enable button. If you don't need to enable the drive through I/O, simply clear the enable signals. If it is not removed, Kinco Servo Pro will show a reminder during commissioning, and you can clear it with one click. No need to switch to the I/O interface to check. Pulse mode is typically used in applications with a small number of axes, usually 1 to 4, where cost is a key concern and electrical noise is minimal, such as CNC machines. In pulse control, the target velocity is determined by the external pulse frequency and the electronic gear ratio. Now, in the pulse mode panel, choose the pulse mode according to the type of pulse signal your servo receives. On the right side, you can quickly check the wiring instructions for the corresponding pulse mode. After selecting the mode, click Right. The device will automatically restart, and the pulse mode will take effect. Now enter the electronic gear ratio, then click the score button below. This lets you simplify the gear ratio with one click, no manual calculation needed. Here, you can also click pulses per revolution to directly configure the number of pulses required for one motor rotation. This eliminates the need to calculate the electronic gear ratio manually, avoids errors when the gear ratio cannot be evenly divided, and ensures accuracy. You can see the pulse frequency and pulse data after the gear ratio. Down here, you can see the actual pulses per motor revolution. It updates automatically based on the electronic gear ratio or the pulses per revolution you set. Keep in mind, the pulses per revolution setting has higher priority. If it's not 0, the electronic gear ratio won't take effect. You can also tweak other parameters, depending on your needs. Click Enable after all settings are complete. Let's go through a quick demonstration. Here, we take the pulse direction mode as an example. Click Right, and once the device restarts automatically, the pulse mode will take effect. Next, configure the pulses per motor revolution. After completing the configuration, click Enable to start sending pulses from the PLC. At this point, based on the configured pulses per revolution and the pulses sent by the PLC, you can see the motor stop after running for 10 revolutions. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.